This 2011 Forest River Georgetown 360DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, air conditioning, stovetop burner, oven, smoke detector, slide-out, TV, DVD player, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half. This 2011 Forest River Georgetown 360DS is built on a Ford F-53 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.